The Aquatunnel is a tunnel that runs the entire length of the underside of the city of Luxembourg. When I was invited to come and visit the tunnel, I was very inspired by the sheer length of the tunnel. It's almost a kilometre long. And the acoustics of this tunnel. I heard that the tunnel was used as an air raid shelter, and it's called the Aquatunnel. So I thought that was very interesting. So thinking about both of those things, I arrived at the sirens. And I took the title from the muses of the lower world, which were known as the sirens in Greek mythology. So the sound that you hear is all of my own voice, and you're drawn in by the voices that you hear, and it changes constantly as you move through the tunnel. And at times the sound evokes immensity, the ocean. Other times it sounds like sirens, like civil defence sirens. At times it can sound quite urgent, it's like an alarm, danger. When all of the voices are playing together with 3 different tones, it can sound quite like attack. But then other times it sounds very melancholy and forlorn. So it changes all the time. I mean, sirens are also known to be birds, like birds. And so I've recorded different call and responses when I have been thinking about bird call as well. And one of the key inspirations, I suppose, was the length of the tunnel, and the idea that the sounds would call through the tunnel. So I was using these long tones that would draw you in and engage with the acoustics.